आज की इस वीडियो में हम डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस को समझेंगे, यानी ऐसे वर्ड्स जो हम किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या जगह की तरफ इशारा करने के लिए यूज करते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं कि हम डेली लाइफ में दिस, दैट, दीज और दोज को कैसे बोलते हैं और उनका यूज कैसे करते हैं। और वीडियो में जो कॉन्वर्सेशन होगी उसकी वोकेबलरी साइड में स्क्रीन पर ही दिखाई देगी। इससे आपको वीडियो पॉज करके वर्ड सर्च करने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। उसके बाद हम 5 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जो इस कहानी के बेसे पर होंगे। इन क्वेश्चन से ये पता चलेगा कि आपको कहानी कितनी समझ आई, क्योंकि दोस्तों स्पोकन इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए सबसे पहले एक गुड लिसनर बनना पड़ता है। अगर आप सुनने में स्ट्रांग हैं तो बोलना ऑटोमेटिकली ईजी हो जाता है। फिर आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वोकेबुलरी वर्ड्स दिए जाएंगे। ये वर्ड्स आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करेंगे। आपको इन्हें रोज थोड़ा टाइम निकल कर याद करना है। और लास्ट में आपको उन 5 क्वेश्चंस के करेक्ट आंसर्स बताए जाएंगे। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन।
Hey Rohan, this is a story I really wanted to share with you today.
Oh, really? This is interesting already. Tell me more.
Well, this boy lived in a small village.
Ah, I love these kinds of stories. They always feel inspiring.
Exactly, because this story is not just about the boy, it's about dreams.
So this boy must have faced struggles, right?
Yes, but let me start slowly. This beginning is important.
Okay, so what was special about him?
He kept saying, "This is my dream, and I will achieve it."
That's powerful. Kids don't usually think like that.
True. And people around him would laugh and say, "Those dreams are too big for you."
But sometimes these words of discouragement make you stronger.
Exactly. And he believed, this challenge will make me better.
Oh, so that mindset is what made him different.
Yes, because when others said, "Look, those problems are impossible," he replied, "These problems are just tests."
Wow, this attitude is amazing.
And when he fell, he always said, "This fall is temporary."
That is deep. I feel like this boy's life is teaching us right now.
Exactly, because these lessons are for all of us.
And that truth, that dreams matter, remains forever.
One day, his teacher said, "This is your chance, don't waste it."
Teachers always know. Those words can change lives.
And the boy kept repeating, "This is my moment."
That reminds me of school. Those exams felt like the biggest battles.
Yes, and he thought, "These battles will prepare me."
He sounds unstoppable. That determination is rare.
But people laughed again. They said, "Look, these failures prove you can't win."
Ouch, that must hurt.
Yes, but he answered, "This failure is just a step."
Brilliant. That wisdom at such a young age is rare.
True. He kept saying, "These setbacks are lessons."
And in the end, those people who laughed will be shocked.
And that's how his journey began. This start was humble, but powerful.
This suspense is killing me. What happened next?
Patience, my friend. These details build the story.
Fine, but don't keep me waiting too long. That curiosity is too strong.
Okay. Get ready. Because in the next part, those struggles will get harder.
Oh man, this is exciting.
So, Aman, tell me, what kind of struggles did you face?
Oh, Rohan, this poverty was his first challenge.
I can imagine. No money, no support. That situation must have been terrible.
Exactly. And people in the village said, "Look, these conditions are impossible for success."
But maybe that mindset of villagers was the real problem?
Yes. And the boy kept saying, "This life may be hard, but I will rise."
Wow, that sounds brave.
And do you know, he didn't even have shoes. He said, "These bare feet will walk to my dream."
Incredible. Most people would give up in that situation.
But not him. He pointed at his books and said, "This book is my weapon."
Ah, so these pages became his power.
Exactly. That belief made him stronger every day.
Did anyone support him?
Very few. One teacher said, "Son, this courage will take you far."
Teachers can see the hidden spark, That encouragement matters so much.
Right. But others laughed, saying, "Look at these broken clothes he wears."
Ugh, people are cruel. Those words can cut deep.
Yes, but he smiled and replied, "This smile is my shield."
That's powerful.
Every morning he would wake up and say, "This day is mine."
And every night he must have whispered, those dreams will come true.
Exactly. And when others mocked him, he replied, "These insults fuel me."
That's such a strong way to think.
Yes, because he believed, this path is tough, but it's mine.
Man, that determination is giving me goosebumps. Did he ever feel like quitting?
Maybe once. He looked at the sky and said, "God, this pain is heavy."
Poor boy. And what happened then?
Then he heard his own heart say, "These struggles are shaping you."
Wow, almost like destiny was talking to him.
Yes, and he decided, that weakness will not define me.
That line itself is inspirational.
And from that day, he worked harder. He said, "This effort will pay off."
I like that. These little steps really matter.
Right. He said, "That future is waiting for me."
And truly, those dreams must have started feeling closer.
Yes, my friend, this struggle phase was only the beginning.
And I bet that turning point is coming soon.
After all his struggles, one day he got a chance to enter a small competition. This opportunity changed everything.
Really? So that moment was the turning point.
Exactly, he won. People said, "Wow, this boy is special."
And those villagers who left must have been shocked.
Yes, because these small wins gave him confidence.
Amazing! That victory must have felt like magic.
Slowly, he started winning bigger competitions. He said, "These trophies are proof of my hard work."
And the same villagers must have said, this boy made us proud.
Exactly, that respect finally came.
And those struggles became stories of inspiration.
Yes, he always reminded himself, this journey is not just mine, it's for everyone who dreams. In the end, he stood on a stage and said, "Friends, this success is yours too."
Wow! Chills!
He pointed to the crowd. "Those doubts you had, they push me further."
Amazing!
He ended with, "Always remember, these dreams are possible and that belief is all you need."
And this story itself proves that nothing is impossible.
Exactly, my friend. And those who listen will never forget it.
अब इस कहानी के कुछ क्वेश्चंस 1. Who was the main character of the story? 2. What was his first big challenge? 3. What gave him confidence after struggles? 4. What did he finally achieve? 5. What is the key message of the story? ये क्वेश्चंस इस कहानी पर बेस्ड हैं। पहले खुद से सोचिए, इसका आंसर आपको वीडियो के लास्ट में मिलेगा। अब चलिए देखते हैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स जो आपको इस कहानी से याद रखने चाहिए। ये वर्ड्स आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करेंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो एक लाइक जरूर कर देना। ऐसे ही हेल्पफुल और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो और बेल आइकॉन भी दबा देना ताकि कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना हो। आपका सपोर्ट ही हमें और मोटिवेट करता है नए कंटेंट बनाने के लिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।